This week, we are going to get really, really good at sentences. Are you ready? Good. Let's start with a song. This song is an important one to remember because it's going to remind you how to write a sentence. It goes like this. Every sentence starts with the capital, ends with the period, starts with the capital. Every sentence starts with the capital and ends with the period. Can you sing it with me? Every sentence starts with the capital, ends with the period, starts with the capital. Every sentence starts with the capital and ends with the period. Now, it's a little bit wrong because some sentences will end with a question mark and some will end with an exclamation point, but we'll get into that later. For now, let's just focus on that sentences start with a capital letter and they end with a punctuation mark, usually a period. We don't need extra capitals in the middle of our sentence, especially not in the middle of a word. Capitals are for the first letter of the sentence and for names. So, and for the word I. The word I is always capital. So those are the three things that you need to remember for capital letters. The word I, names, and the first letter in a sentence. Everywhere else, use a lowercase letter, okay? Let's fix a sentence together. Here we have the sentence. You can fix the sentence without even knowing how to read it. Did you realize that? Because you know that the sentence should start with the capital and end with the period. Okay? Let's look at our sentence. I will read it for you in case you haven't read it yet. The dog ran away. Every sentence starts with a capital. Does this sentence start with a capital? No, we better fix it. This sentence has mistakes. I'm going to fix my sentence. It needs a capital right here. Now I can write the rest of the word. The. I don't want to forget my space, and now I'm going to write the word dog. Dog looks just right, so I can copy it down. The dog, let's leave a space. Now let's look at this word, ran. Is there something wrong with this word? Yes. We don't need ran to have a capital R or a capital A. It's in the middle of my sentence. It's not the first letter in the sentence. It's not the word I, and it's not a name. So I need lowercase letters. Let's write it with lowercase letters. R-A-N. The dog ran, then I leave a little space and write away. A-W-A-Y. Wait, something's wrong here. This W is written too big. Big W and small w look the same. But if you write your small w too big, it becomes a big W. You need to make sure it fits in your lines and fits with the other letters around it. Away. Every sentence starts with a capital and ends with a period. There we go. The period should be a dot right down on the line. I like to make it big enough that you can see it. So sometimes when we just do a little dot period, that's fine, but it's hard to see, right? You can hardly see that. That's why I made mine just tiny bit bigger just so you could see it. The dog ran away. That is perfect. Your assignment today is to fix this sentence. Birds like to sing loudly. This sentence has some mistakes. Remember the song and write the whole sentence, every word, correctly. Don't forget, every sentence and ends with a This is your assignment for today. Show your learning coach when you're all done and see if it's correct. If it's not, ask your learning coach for help to show you where to fix it. Please write in pencil so you can fix any mistakes. That is all you need to do for this assignment. So if you need to pause the video to copy this, that's fine. Other than that, I'll see you later. Bye, class.